Hello again. It's me, John Olsen, from Mongo TV Denmark. It's me speaking. It's about my Hubsan X4 108 drone. It's a small video about how I prepare to soldering the motors. After flight 11 last time, this engine got damage. So I was in a hobby shop yesterday, and I ordered 4 original Hubsan engines for about $25, $30 include mail shipping. So I have watched several videos from YouTube about how to solder and replace. So I got this Hubsan 108 open. And what I need to do is to this red and blue wire I need to cut off, and then I need to find an engine with same red and blue wire. So this is so this engine. If the camera, this engine have a black and a white wire at opposite two, and this two engine have blue and red. So it's actually very impressive that this Hubsan is only this small print. So I will get a digital weight next month. So I will try to, but this is only 2-3. This is very light. But you can remove the rubber feet too. So I will try to weight how much this and 4 rubber feet is. So anyway, I got cheap. I was buy some milk and other stuff, and the shop has a very cheap soldering iron with a sharp edge. I only got it was less. It was $8, and I got a bit soldering wire. So I'm only waiting for my engines to come. So actually I can. I'm a bit tired now, like always, but I can remove, get the engines out, and I can cut this 2 wire up, but I will not do it with a camcorder in my hand. I will do it when I sit down and have peace. So I found several videos on YouTube how to replace engines. So this I'm watching. So I found few more. This is 107L. But it's too long video. I will the next part I will try to solder. So have a good day.